Well, hello and welcome on how to make your own home bomb. But this is just a movie prop, so let's get started. Here we have my creation. Let's see, where do we start? This piece right here, this piece and the battery pack, you can order from No Tropic Design. And with the battery pack, it's a $64.85. For the rest of the assembly, here's kind of like that's kind of like what it looks like. I used 1-inch PVC pipe. You can pick it up at Home Depot. They sell it by 10 feet. I did not. I didn't measure this, but it's about like a foot long. And then what I do is I have this gap and crack filler, like the foam, and I just spray it in the I spray it in there. I let it dry, and then I use a knife to cut it. Then I use spray paint. I used this is a Colonial Red. And then I used a grape spray paint for like the top part. I used this wire for like this part. I used let's see, for the computer parts, you can just get on eBay. People sell like a used, let's see, here it is. So you can get like a used computer master boards. I don't know what they're called, but they look cool. So I picked this one out because it kind of seemed kind of hard to see. And there's this one. This one was obviously too big. And then I got that one. But yeah, this was kind of like a self project, and I use wire tape, and then this part's like a bungee cord. It's hard to see. This part that's a bungee cord. And I like burnt the tip of it. But yeah, that's it. You just it plugs in right here. I don't want to unplug it. I got stuff all over my hand. And then to operate it, you just push the button. Oh my god. And it's like a countdown. I don't know. It looks cool. And that's it. And that's how you make your own home movie prop bomb. Okay, bye.